Hello everyone. So yes, it's already August 11, 2024. So tagal-tagal din nakapag-upload. And right now, tuloy tayo sa Cavs na sa madalas tayo mag-vlog. So yeah, supposedly baka mag-share na naman ako ulit ng tuloy-tuloy. So just miss this. Ngayon lang ako nakabalik dito sa place na to. So I'm just very grateful and feel love always. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, see that? Grabe. So guys, just a quick share no sa inyo. After these few months, grabe lang. Ang dami kong learnings, ang dami kong stretch, ang dami kong, growth na nangyayari sa buhay ko right now. I feel it. Sobrang feel na feel ko na parang iba na yung perspective ko sa buhay. But you know guys, bakit? Kasi I just live my comfort zone. Kung saan ako masaya. Yan, tulad nito, kung dito lang ako lagi, yeah, I feel lovely always. Pero if I stay like this and not sacrificing all of these things, magstay na lang siya sa buhay ko, just be stagnant about my life, wala na mangyari sa buhay ko. Like, it gonna be a flat line. Kapag flat line, nasa hospital, it's already dead. So just wanna remind you guys that take the risk of this life, because ito yung life talaga na dapat mo take. Everyday meron kang ginagawang bago, may ginagawa ka comfortable, that alam mo yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng growth, to experience something new, something great, diba? So yun lang. Just very grateful to myself kasi grabe, I'm very proud na sobrang tatag ko, sobrang resilient ko for all these things na nangyari sa akin. Just keep going, just keep, hindi mo wala yung happiness ko, kasi ako yung happiness, hindi yung external things na nasa paligid ko, hindi ito nasa likod ko, hindi yan, kundi ako yung pinakamaganda dahilan bakit ako masaya, buhay ako dito ako sa mundo. So guys, whatever problems you have right now in your life, tatandaan mo lang, it's given to you because there's a reason why it's happening to you. Baka sinusubukan ka lang ni God. So wag mong takasan, wag mong labanan, accept, recognize, and learn, and grow, be better next time. Ganun lang, that's how it life goes. So dahilan bakit ka kailangan malungkot, may nangyari sa'yo hindi kaya, and everything that's happening to you, kahit anong bagay, malala o hindi, may rason may dahilan bakit nangyayari sa'yo yan. So just be grateful guys, and enjoy this life. Yun lang pinahawakan ko, and that's why I'm always happy, so take care guys. Marami pang video ko, so I love to share with you. Sobrang saya ko, so look at this, ikot ko lang. Yeah. Alright, so that's the vlog right now. Thank you so much. More videos to come, so I'm rooting for you guys. Continue lang sa growth, continue to enjoy this life, kasi minsan na nga lang bubuhay, bakit hindi ko pasulitin. So good luck.